dreams, the life everybody wish they could live. Only a chosen few make it.
All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. And today we at Westgate in Kissimmee, Florida. And today we're going to give you a tour of our 2-bedroom, 2-bath room. And we're in building double H, room number 9. So, of course, when you walk in, you see the doorbell, lights. Walk in the door. First thing on the right here, got a little closet space area. Yeah. Got your fire extinguisher, you got your ironing board, things like that. I'm gonna close this up. Gonna close the door. So then we're gonna come in. Let's go to the left, right here. And we have, the first room. Got 2 full-size beds, little art on the back. Got a ceiling fan. Got a nice size mirror. What's happening? Got a TV, of course. That looks maybe like a 50 if I had to guess. Not sure. Got your button to control the fan and the lights and all that. Not sure. Of course, it has a closet over here. Small, decent closet. It ain't too bad. Then you have your bathroom, backlit mirror. I like how they did these counters too with this like marble accent look. That's nice. And with the finishes too, the black finish. Hey, they made it real nice. Luxury in here. Got your water closet or your toilet, whatever you want to call this. There's a light somewhere. You got art in here as well. You have your shower. I like how they're doing these finishes touches on these bathrooms. This is nice. We came in that way. We're gonna go out this way. Art on the wall. So since we came out this way, I guess we'll go up. Upstairs area. So this is your loft area. Bed number 1, bed number 2. You have a TV on the wall as well. So the ceiling fan. You actually have a skylight, which is crazy. I get some footage of that as well. You have your nice side bed table, stand, whatever you want to call it. 2 plugs, a USB-C and USB-A, or USB, whatever you want to call it. Some more stuff right here. And you can look down into the whole. See mom sitting right there. Swan over there, laid out on the sofa bed. I give y'all a tour of that in a second. Let's keep this tour going. So we're gonna go back down. Bam, bam. Bust this way. I'm gonna bust this right. Of course, you got your dishwasher, everything. Got your sink, got your cabinet, stuff that comes with the dishwasher. Garbage disposal, things like that. It's fully stocked too, so you got all your stuff what you need. Again, we at the Westgate in Kissimmee, Florida. I like this. Just this our stuff. It comes with everything you need: spatulas, spoons, and all this thing. All the things you need. Okay. You got your microwave. You got your stove, a full stove. Love this countertop again. And look at the backsplash from this wall go all the way around. I like that backsplash. That backsplash is nice. With the little gold accents in the backsplash. Y'all see that? That's nice. I like that. I like that a lot. It didn't used to look like this. I've been here before. I've been here a few times. They definitely upgraded. They made it more modern. And, you can tell they spent some money on this. So I appreciate that. Got a little looking window. Just came from out there. Storage space over the fridge / freezer. And then here but the ice pack. Oh, my last beer. And some food. Some more storage right here. Under the cabinet. And you turn around. Oh, sorry, I almost forgot about that. Toaster. You turn around. You got this. It's like a pantry / laundry room. You see the dustpan and stuff like that. Now I can rise up. Y'all already know. And now let's go. Bam. Doors double slide over. Then you got the stackable washer and dryer. Damn. All right, let's move on. Let's go this way. You got your bar stools. You got 3 bar stools right here. These are nice chairs too. Phone right there, of course. You got the chandeliers over the bar stools or the lighting. You got art on the back wall. I like that picture. This is a nice piece right here. Chandelier told you they spent some money on this. I'm assuming all the rooms look like this, or they will look like this in the end. You got your table, seating for look like 6 or 8. So more art right here. That's what we just were when we was looking from the top up there. Art on the wall. Mom sitting right here on her phone. And mom waving. You got your of course your lamp. They got ports for turn on and off USB-C, USB, regular USB port. The sofa bed. It's a sofa bed. Do I need to explain it? It's a sofa that turns into a bed. Y'all can see Swan. He's laid out. Swan, what you watching? The accountant? Oh, the first one. Oh yeah, because I just watched this last week. Crazy. I ain't never seen the first one till last week. So now I gotta watch the second one. All right, so you got the table that goes in the middle right here. Right now it's on the side because Swan's sleeping in here. This is what Swan's sleeping at. Another lamp, just like the first one. Lights up and everything, blah blah blah. You have your balcony. Now the balcony exit and enters 2 ways. So you see it right here. I'll go out the other way and I'll show you in a minute. Lights for the balcony. So we're gonna turn. Go back into the room. Let's go to the left. So you go to the left, of course. This is the primary suite bathroom. Yeah, your closet. We got all our bags and stuff on the floor. Bam. There's your safe right there in the closet on the wall. Backlit mirror. The water closet or toilet, whatever you call it. Part. Light in there. Double vanity sink. Black finishes again. Loving that. What's happening? I'll see you, boy. Like this, like this. There's the shower, of course. It also has a tub right here. They used to have the jetted tubs, but they took the jetted tubs out. I guess a lot of people aren't using the jetted tub, so it comes with a regular tub now. This is what you get, so it's not bad. Little storage notes right here. Like the finishes on it. Not bad at all. Got my thing right there. Slide the door. Then, of course, you got your nightstand, USB, USB-C, couple plugs, TV remote, turn on the light over the bed. Cool. Of course, you got your bed in the middle of the room. There's control for the ceiling fans and the lights right here. And all the rooms have this that has ceiling fans and lights. You got your dresser, TV. I'll say about another 50. Ceiling fan, of course. Other side, same thing. Side, bam, bam, bam. Did it already. Double light. Must be two sides. What's this? We got another light right here. Ooh, we got ample lighting. Look at all the space in this room, though, y'all. Let's just step back for a second. I'm sorry. Damn, look at all that space to walk around. It's dark, but you got a window in the room. All right. And you can also access the balcony from the primary. So we're going to go out this way since Swan is on the other side. Access the balcony from the primary room right here. You see it? This is the living room area where Swan and Mom is sitting at. Balconies, nice size. You have a table, 4 chairs, and you have a lounging seat. You also have your light outside, and it's screened in. I don't have a lake view. I do have a pool view over there. It looks like people still might be at the pool. Who knows? Yep. I have that pool view. A view of the other rooms. And this has been our room tour of the Westgate, Kissimmee, Florida. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank you.